number eight episodes, yo. We are rolling through this, yo. This is crazy. We're gonna head over to Mediterranean right now, but we're gonna do it Italian style with our Italian fuck. Number 8. 8 is the number of new beginnings. Did you guys know that? 8. That's Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday. New beginning. That didn't make sense, but hey, what's up? We're gonna make some Mediterranean soulfish right now, but we're gonna do it in a like Italian style. We got our Italian parsley, we got some olives going. I'm ready to dive in. You know, we got some lemons, we got some capers, we got some tomatoes, just amazing things right now. We're gonna put them all together, and we're gonna hit Louisiana a little bit, and we're gonna do a little crawfish with it too. We don't keep things original in drumsticks and greens, you feel me? So we like to flip the script, the flick of the wrist, you feel me? Alright, so we got some crawfish. We got the tails already out. Got a couple heads just for, you know, decoration, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of Creole seasoning. Not a lot, because we don't want it to seep all the way into our fish. We want it to keep it a little distinct, okay? A little bit of salt, just a little bit. And then black pepper. Give that a toss.
See.
Let's do that. Alright, cool. We're doing rockfish. I do have some sole at the crib, but I'll probably put that in there too. 2 different types of fish, that's fine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lock those flavors in, okay? We're not gonna cook it a lot. We're just gonna make sure we lock the flavors in, get some olive oil, cook it a little bit, lock it in, then we're gonna bring it all together. While that pan is heating up, we're gonna salt our fish, all right? Nice gracious amount of salt, because we aren't using any other seasoning, okay? And we're gonna continue to wash our hands through this whole process because we're dealing with raw fish. Also, we have capers, olives. That's gonna add some saltiness to it. You don't wanna add that much salt. And to the top part, you don't wanna add a lot of black pepper because we do want our fish to be like good looking and pretty and stuff and like, all right, you know what I'm saying? Like, can we have one episode when I don't drop anything? Pepper. Because pepper, couple minutes, we just want to lock in those flavors, all right? Lock in those flavors in the crawfish, turn it off. Don't overdo it. We're gonna sit some lemons on top of this fish right here. Quick, easy, simple, you know what I'm saying? Let's take our tomatoes. Look at that. Our olives. Look how easy this is. Nice. A little spring of thyme. Right, garlic. We don't want a lot. We don't want a lot of garlic. Just a little for the aroma. Mainly the aroma. Capers. We're gonna get some salt from these capers as well, okay? I'm gonna spread these fresh parsley. I chopped them too big, but who cares? Get us drumsticks and greens. Let's go. We got that. Now, we're gonna add our olive oil. I was thinking about which olive oil I should put on, but let's keep this light and simple, all right? Because we want to seal this. Go into here with the long sheet, all right? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm guessing. I'm guessing it's going to work out. Jesus will work it out. We'll work it out. Jesus will work it out. Hey, he working it out. See what we got there? Oh my gosh. Get some of our crawfish. Oh, doesn't that look crazy? Of course it does. We're crazy here. You know what I'm saying? It's drumsticks and greens. We're gonna finish this off with a little salt, okay? Close this somehow. However your heart desires for you to close this. And this sucks. We got this in like a little packet thing. We're gonna do, put this in the oven, 350 for like 20-30 minutes. So after like 22 minutes, start checking it. All right, 22 minutes. All right, now what we have up here is boiling water. We have broccolini, and we're gonna steam this broccolini. Then we're gonna put it in a pan and give it a little saute. So we're gonna let that go for 10 minutes, and we're gonna check it because we don't want the broccoli to start turning brown. You know what I'm saying? We still want some crispiness on the broccoli. We're gonna check it in about 10 minutes and see what it's hitting for. We're gonna take our broccolini, we're gonna put some olive oil in this pan, and we're gonna sear this broccolini for a minute. It still has this green flavor, didn't get brown at all, still dank. It's already good. Okay, here we go. Now, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, okay? Some garlic powder. It's a little bit, you don't want a lot, okay? Some parsley, some lemon juice, okay? Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Yeah. Woo! That's it. That's all she wrote, baby. Nothing more, nothing less. Dressed to the best. Dressed to the best. Let's check on this fish. Look, as we unveil. Oh my gosh. Oh my. What? That looks like a seafood boil right there. Huh? What? So now we're going to plate our wonderful seafood dish, okay? I'll take a piece of our fish. Get in here. Get in here. Okay. This fish is so tender. I gotta grab it twice. Hold on. Look at that. These bits of these crop. Oh my gosh. Got our friend. His name's Dasher. He's gonna sit down right there. Dasher, you don't say a word. Okay? You shut fuck up. You just look nice. Let's take a broccolini. Let's lay it next to what's his name? What's his name?
Fuck, I already forgot.
His name's Dasher. Dang.
It's like something with a seed?
I don't know. Mediterranean and Cajun fish, vegetables on drumsticks and grains. Broccolini. I'll send you a picture.
That looks so good.
Yo.
You took a picture of it already?
Yes, I did. I'll send it to you. I'm gonna close this out. I'll call you right back. Aha! Yo. We just wrapped up this episode of Drumsticks and Greens. It's so light. It's so decadent. It has so much flavor. That was another episode.
Wait, you're supposed to try it.
Okay? Huh?
Try it.
I gotta eat it?
Try it.
Try it.
No.
It's so flavorful. Oh, the crawfish. Oh. Bye.